Hello student, in this video we will discuss about the adding manure and the fertilizer. So adding manure and fertilizer provide the nutrients and the healthy growth to the plant, and those substances are known as the manure and the fertilizer. Then student will talk about here why the manure is required. So whenever the fertility of soil decreases due to the continuous cultivation in the field, so because of that the nutrients get decreases in the soil, and we need to add manure and which replenish the soil. Okay, and how we can make the organic manure, because organic manure is also known as a biofertilizer, and this is the good for the environment. Yes, so it is made up by the waste of the plant and the animal. Yes, and there that waste of the plant and animal decompose by the microorganism and form the organic manure. Then student will discuss about the fertilizer. So, student, fertilizer are the chemical compounds, like urea and ammonium sulfate and different kind of the for potash and the nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium containing compound, and these are the good for the increase of the soil fertility. But if we use more these kind of the fertilizer, so the fertility also damaged by these fertilizer, and these fertilizer also cause the water pollution. Yes, so then student we need to use these fertilizers in a proper amounts, otherwise it may cause dangerous disease. Yes, and in the Punjab, because in the, Indian farmers are the uneducated, so they use in the Punjab the farmers use too much amount of the chemical fertilizer, and because of that nowadays these farmers are suffering from the different kind of the cancerous disease. Yes, then student will discuss here how we can maintain the soil fertility. So we can maintain the soil fertility, first one by using the organic manure. Yes, and the second one is the rotation of the crop. Yes, for example, one season if we are growing the wheat, so another season we should go for the grams. So this is the good for the fertility of the soil. And the third one, we should give certain period of the time for the uncultivation. We should not do the cultivation on the field, so because of that the fertility of the soil can maintain. Yes, then student we are discussing here one of the example. Yes, rhizobium bacteria. This is the bacteria which mostly present in the roots of the noodles root of the leguminous plants like pulses. Yes, so these are the good for the fertility of the soil. Yes, so most of the pulses plant having the leguminous. Yes, these are the leguminous plant and having the nodules. Nodules like we can say the cyst. Yes, and these cyst having the rhizobium bacteria, and these rhizobium bacteria are very beneficial for the soil fertility. Then student will discuss here about the difference between the fertilizer and the manure. So fertilizer is the chemical compound. Yes, so it is made up by the man. By the way, if we talk about the manure, so it is made up by the decomposition of the plant and animal waste. Yes, like cow dung and all. Yes, then student, it is made up by the in the factory. Here we can make in the field, at our home also, and it is having the fertilizer does not having any kind of the humus, but it is manure having too much humus. Yes, and this fertilizer is rich in the nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, but the manure having the one limitation, it has less nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Then student will discuss here the advantage of the manure. So advantage of manure is related to the enhancing the water capacity of the soil. Yes, if we use the manure, so it increase the water capacity of the soil, and it also make porous the soil. So because of that, gases and the water can gases can exchange easily, and water can go inside the ground. Then student, it is the environment friendly and microbes friendly, because microorganism can grow easily, and it is a bio fertilizer, so it is good for the environment also. And it also improve the soil texture. Yes, it improve the soil fertility also. So these are the advantage of the manure. But fertilizer, for the using of the fertilizer, we need to know about that fertilizer, and we need to know how much amount of that fertilizer should be used in the field. Otherwise, that fertilizer is dangerous for plant as well as for humans. Thank you.